Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Insta360 ONE X2 with Insta360 app step by step clearly. Start by ensuring your Insta360 ONE X2 is fully charged. Download the Insta360 app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Open the app on your smartphone. Turn on your Insta360 ONE X2 by pressing the power button. Swipe down on the camera's touchscreen to access the quick settings. Select the Wi-Fi icon to enable the camera's Wi-Fi connection. On your smartphone, navigate to your Wi-Fi settings. Look for the Wi-Fi network labeled Insta360_XXXXXX. Connect to this network by entering the password displayed on the camera screen. Once connected, return to the Insta360 app. Tap on the Connect Camera option on the app's main screen. Choose your Insta360 ONE X2 from the list of available devices. Follow the on-screen prompts to authorize the connection. You may need to confirm pairing by tapping a button on your camera. Wait for the app to establish a connection with your camera. Once connected, you'll receive a confirmation message on the app. You can now use the app to control your camera and access features. Explore the app to familiarize yourself with its functions and settings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.